Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday, the 11th of September. Now we have a few features of note on our weather map for tomorrow. Over in the west, we have a west coast trough developing. It is interacting with this high pressure system sitting over the Great Australian Bight to produce these areas of patchy showers and possible thunderstorms through parts of inland Western Australia and western parts of South Australia too. Now this is fairly high up in the atmosphere, so we're not going to see too much rainfall reaching the ground. A different story over in the southeast, however, with a cold front moving through tomorrow, likely to bring showers and possible thunderstorms to much of southeastern Australia. We're also going to see showers and possible storms through northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland, pushing back across the southern interior of Queensland as well. Those storms may tend gusty at times through the day, particularly during the afternoon and evening. Now let's take a closer look at all of that now, going state by state, starting with Queensland. So patchy morning fog along the east coast is on the forecast for tomorrow, with isolated coastal showers following, although rainfall totals will be fairly low away from the northern tropics. We've got those showers and possible storms through the southeast and southern inland parts of the state, which may produce some gusty winds at times too. These may impact Brisbane through the day tomorrow, heading for a top of 25 degrees there. Down in New South Wales, those showers and storms are still on the forecast for the far northeast of the state, but remaining areas are looking at mostly settled and sunny day for the most part. Sydney could see a little bit of smoke haze in the Greater Sydney area, but otherwise sunny conditions, a top of 25. Late in the day though, we will see that cold front moving across to the south, and that's likely to bring a few showers and possible storms to those southern districts later on Wednesday. Canberra may catch a late shower or two, a top of 21 degrees there. Down in Victoria, we're expecting morning fogs for some parts of the state and then a mostly clear morning before this cold front rolls through during the day. That's likely to bring showers and possible storms mostly to the central and eastern districts, but they may impact Melbourne throughout the day tomorrow. We are heading for a top of 20 degrees there. Down in Tasmania, a similar story with some drier weather, particularly through the east in the morning. That'll change as this front comes through during the day, with a burst of showers moving across the state, starting to ease back once again in the evening. Rainfall totals will be moderate through the west, but lower through those eastern parts. Hobart looking at a shower or two, top of 14 degrees for our Wednesday. Up in South Australia, we are looking at a few showers and isolated storms in the northwest of the state, easing back later in the day, with mostly clear conditions through those remaining central districts. A few patchy showers moving across the southern agricultural areas later in the day though, as that front moves through. Adelaide is looking at a shower or two, top of 18 degrees. Over in the west, we've got the west coast trough, bringing warm and dry conditions to our western districts. That includes the Perth area, where we are expecting a sunny top of 25 degrees for our Wednesday. Showers and possible thunderstorms across the southern interior, as well as parts of the Pilbara and Gascoyne through the day tomorrow, although with very low rainfall totals expected. Finally, for the Northern Territory, we are seeing a little bit of that shower and storm activity sneaking into the Lassiter district down in the southwest, but most other parts of the state are looking at a sunny and dry day. In fact, those dry conditions may elevate fire dangers around the Darwin and Adelaide River fire weather district, so keep an eye out for any warnings that may be issued there. Darwin itself heading for a sunny top of 35 degrees tomorrow. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website or the BOM social media. Have a good day, and we'll catch you tomorrow.